Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to use wireless power share, also known as reverse wireless charging, on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This cool feature lets you use your Z Fold 7 to wirelessly charge other compatible devices like a friend's phone or your wireless earbuds. Let's get started. To begin, we need to turn on the wireless power share feature. So, swipe down from the top right of your screen and tap the settings gear icon. Scroll down and tap Battery. Choose Wireless Power Sharing. Toggle the switch to the on position. A quick animation will show you how to position the devices. You will also see the option to set a battery limit. This is a great feature that automatically turns off wireless power share once your Z Fold 7's battery drops below a certain percentage, so you don't drain your own phone completely. You can adjust this limit when the feature is turned off. Now, let us charge something. For the easiest charging experience, it is best to fold the Z Fold 7. Simply place the back of your device you want to charge, like this iPhone, against the center of Z Fold 7's back. You will see it start charging immediately. To turn off wireless power share, just follow these steps. Go back to Settings. Tap Battery. Toggle the wireless power sharing switch to the off position. That's it for this quick guide on how to use your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 as a wireless charger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.